In today's video, I'm going to be discussing the blind election on your tax return and how it can save you money. Hey everyone, this is Matt. Welcome back to another Blind to Billionaire video, and today I want to be discussing the blind election on your tax return. So hey, now that it is 2020, we're probably going to be filing our 2019 tax returns here in the next month or two, and I wanted to give you a quick tip that will help save you some money on that return. So hey, before I get into the video, I just want to say, quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. I would highly recommend you do your own research and talk to your accountant or CPA regarding anything that I discuss in this video, but I wanted to throw it out there and hopefully this will save you some money. So for 2019, when you file your return, there's going to be something called a standard deduction. Basically, if you earn income and if you are alive watching this video, you qualify for the standard deduction. For 2019, that amount is $12,200. But if you're over the age of 65 or you are blind or became blind in the year 2019, you also qualify for an additional deduction, which is awesome. So let me get into it a little bit deeper. When you go onto your tax return, and now again, if you're filing yourself or you have a CPA doing that for you, one of the first questions on your tax return is going to be a question worded something very similar to, are you blind or did you become blind in the year 2019? If you check that box and you are eligible as a person who is blind or became blind in 2019, then you would also be eligible for the additional deduction on your tax return, which is awesome. So for 2019, it is actually an additional $1,300. So just a second ago, I said that the standard deduction is $12,200. So if you actually qualify for this additional $1,300 deduction, that means your standard, well not standard, but your deduction that you can take off of your taxes would be $13,500, which is amazing. So let me put that into perspective. Let's just say that you earned in the year 2019, let's say you earned $20,000. Once you apply the standard deduction of $12,200 plus the additional $1,300 for a total of $13,500 in deductions, if you take that off of the $20,000 that you earned, that would actually leave your income down at $6,500 of taxable income, which is incredible. So I mean, that is an awesome deduction. So like I said just a moment ago, if you are over the age of 65 or if you are blind or became blind in the year 2019, you actually qualify for this additional $1,300 deduction. Now, it's not a ton, but it is nice that the government recognizes like, hey, people who are blind or visually impaired to the extent that they're legally blind, we definitely have a disadvantage out in the workplace. So they give us this additional deduction. Again, talk to your CPA, your accountant, whoever advises you on your taxes before you just automatically assume like, well, hey, my vision's kind of bad, so that means I qualify for this deduction. So I would highly recommend you talk to those people. But hey, I just wanted to give you this quick information. It's really helpful. Be sure that you apply that on your tax return if you are going to be filing here in the next couple months, which I assume you will be. Now, one other thing I just want to mention, these numbers that I gave you, this is for the United States. I don't know what it is in other countries, but this is relevant to the United States. However, I would guess that in other countries, they also have additional deductions like this for someone who is blind or visually impaired. You basically just need to do the research in your country and figure out whatever that additional deduction is. So again, this is just for the United States, but again, I would be willing to bet that in other countries, they also have some type of deduction that you can take advantage of if you're low vision. So that's today's video, a quick bonus video here on Saturday. And I just want to say a quick shout out to a good friend here on the channel, someone that has been around for a while and who actually lives out of the United States, Blind Neil from Canada. Thanks so much for being here, Neil. It's been a lot of fun connecting with you and just discussing different topics down in the comments section. So I appreciate it, Neil, and I hope you're having a great weekend. For everybody else, thanks for watching this, and I hope this was a quick tip that saves you some cash on your tax return. I'll see you again on Monday. Thanks so much for watching.